Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. I am going to be listing 4 of my favorite lipstick shades in red. Yes, my favorite red lipstick shades, and I've chosen red because wedding season is right around the corner and any wedding makeup look without a red lipstick is actually incomplete according to me. It's my personal opinion. So if you guys want to know about my 4 favorite shades, please keep on watching. So these shades are not in any particular order. I'm just going to list them randomly, but the very first shade in today's video is something that I always reach out for when I cannot decide which red to wear, and that is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Boss. Now this is a beautiful, it's a gorgeous red shade. I absolutely love it, and this shade was a collaboration of Smashbox and Lily Singh that they did a couple of years ago, and I must say Lily Singh has done an amazing job in actually choosing a kind of shade that is so versatile that it actually suits all kinds of skin tones. So irrespective of what skin tone you belong, it is going to look absolutely stunning on you. It is a beautiful red color with a nice blue undertone to it, and since it has that cool blue undertones to it, it looks absolutely stunning on all kinds of skin tones. Talking about the price point of this particular range, so if you purchase the full one, this will cost you, it will cost you a lot actually. It will cost you around 2100, but it is also available individually in mini size as well now. Earlier when I got my hands on this particular shade, it was only available in the Smashbox X Sobita Dulipala. They made a kit that had this shade and Gulabe, so that's how I got my hands on this. But now it is also available individually for just 690 rupees, which I feel is a pretty decent price for a lipstick like this, because it will last you for a really nice time as well. The formula is also very comfortable to wear. It's not something that's going to dry out your lips, or it's not something that would feel very heavy on the lips. It's going to feel very comfortable as well. So I think you should definitely go for this. If you can get your hands on this, definitely go for this one. The next red shade in today's video is from Lakme. It's the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color in the shade 19 Red Vibe, and this is what it looks like. It's a gorgeous red color. It has a little bit of brown undertones to it, which makes it a little bit of warmish red when it comes to its shade wise. The only issue that I have with this is that it is not that amazingly pigmented. Like if you want its pigment, you will have to go for a 2 swipe in this, like how I'm going right now. Only then you will actually get the desired pigment of it. This is what the shade looks like, this one right here. It has some brown undertones to it, which makes it a little warm, but otherwise it's a gorgeous shade. This is yet another shade which is super versatile, that can be worn by people with all kinds of skin tones. It is a beautiful shade, and like I said, the only issue that I have with this is that it is not something that you will get, you know, the color you won't get in just one swipe. You will have to go for 2 coats only, then you will get the desired color. If you don't want to go with a very heavy look, then you know you can go for just one single swipe. Usme acha khasa pigment aa jayega. But if you're looking for a very dark pigment, you will have to go for 2 coats. But again, this is something that's very comfortable to wear as well. It's not something that will make you feel very heavy on the lips or anything. It's very nice. It's transfer proof also, which is a really nice thing. It is a matte lipstick, so it dries out to be completely matte, but not something that would accentuate your you know, the lines of your lips or something. It's going to look very nice. I'm wearing it right now, so you can see how gorgeous it looks on me, and it can be worn by people with all kinds of skin tones, so that is yet another yay about this. Talking about the price point of this particular shade, it retails for, I think it retails for 800 rupees. If I'm wrong, I will leave it up here on the screen, the correct price, but I think it retails for 800 rupees, which I feel is a pretty decent price for a Lakme product. And also the fact that Lakme comes on discounts and offers and all of that, so whenever there is a nice discount or offer, you can always keep an eye on it, or jab bhi aaye acha discount, you can always grab it. I would suggest you to grab it because it's a really nice lipstick. It's something that will actually look amazing and stunning on you. The next red shade in the list is also from Lakme, which is the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte in the shade Berry Base MR11. I read some places that it was said MR5, but here it's printed MR11, so I'm going to go with this. It's a bullet lipstick, and this is yet another. This comes in the maroon family basically. This is, oh, you can't see. Okay, this is what the shade basically looks like. Let me swatch and show it to you. What it has a really nice, it's very comfortable to wear. It's not something that is completely matte, but yeah, it's a very comfortable semi matte sort of a formula which will feel very comfortable on the lips. These two shades are very similar to each other, not something that that would show a lot of difference, to be very honest. ज़्यादा difference नहीं लग रहा है मुझे shade में, but yes, this one is more on the maroon magenta sort of a shade, you know, side. It has a little bit of pink undertones to it as well, so that makes it a very unique shade too. But I absolutely love the shade. It looks absolutely stunning. This one is a very comfortable formula to wear as well. This one retails for 500 rupees, so price point wise also it's not something that would put a hole in your pocket too. I would suggest you to go for this because it's a very comfortable semi matte sort of a formula. So if you are the kind of person who do not like matte lipsticks but are more into semi matte sort of formulas, you should go for this one because this will look absolutely stunning on you. The last red shade in today's video is something that you must have seen me wearing a lot in my YouTube videos. If you are someone who reads my description where I have mentioned the outfit that I wear and the lipstick that I've applied, if you see that section, you already know the shade that I'm talking about. That is the Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the shade Goa Hottie. It's a beautiful red shade with a undertone of orange, sort of an undertone to it, and this is what the shade actually looks like. I don't know why is it picking up orange at the camera, but it's actually a beautiful red shade. To be very honest, it looks absolutely stunning, and I don't know why is it picking up orange. Probably because it happens to have orange undertones to it is why it is picking up orange or coral sort of a shade, but when you wear it, it looks absolutely stunning red color. It is very comfortable to wear as well. The formula is very comfortable to wear. It's not something that would feel very heavy. Yes, the consistency, it's slightly thin. I mean, it's very watery sort of a consistency, but it's not something that's going to drip instantly or something. It's going to be very comfortable on the lips. ऐसा लगेगा ही नहीं कि कुछ lips पे लगाया हुआ है. It's not going to feel that way at all. It's very comfortable to wear. Talking about the price point of it, the full size, this size retails for 599 rupees, and the small size also comes in this range, which retails for 239 rupees. If you are somebody who do not want to invest into a full size, and because you don't use lipsticks too much, you can always invest into the mini size, which retails for, like I said, 239 rupees. This shade is available in the mini as well, so you can always go for it. I would suggest you that if you're not going for the full one, at least opt for the small one as well, because trust me, once you wear the shade, you're going to love the shade. Coming on to the skin tones that it would suit, I'm not really sure how it is going to look on darker skin tones, but medium and fair people, this is going to look absolutely stunning. It's not the kind of red shade that would wash you out in any way at all, despite the fact that it has orange undertones to it. It's going to look absolutely stunning. So these were my 4 favorite red shades. If you like any one of these, or if you like all of them, and if you want to purchase, I will leave the link of all of these in the description box below so that you guys can go and purchase them. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also, share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are in the description box below. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye guys.